Preparing for MRCOG Part 3 doesn't have to be overwhelming. What you need is guided practice, expert feedback, and flexible access all in one place. That's exactly what the Active Participation course by Excel MRCOG offers. This is a comprehensive, mentor led MRCOG Part 3 training program designed to suit every learner, whether you prefer live interaction or self paced revision as well. As an active participant, you train in small, focused batches of no more than 8 candidates, ensuring maximum individual attention. You take part in live mentor led task sessions, performing real 10-minute exam style tasks, just like the actual MRCOG Part 3 stations. Every performance is followed by a personalized domain wise feedback, helping you refine your structure, communication, and the time management as well. You also gain access to 350 plus exam tested 10-minute task videos performed by your mentors, allowing you to observe ideal performances and reinforce learning outside the live sessions as well. Your course includes full access to the reading library, giving you structured clinical tasks, examiner style answers, guideline summaries, and quick revision material. To maximize your exposure, you receive free passive participation across multiple batches so you can learn not only from your own performance but from others' strengths and mistakes as well. But learning doesn't stop when the live sessions end. With flexible, stress free access, you can watch live session recordings anytime, revisit difficult concepts, and revise at your own pace. Daily study group activities, mentor tips, exam strategies, and stress buster sessions keep you motivated and exam ready throughout your preparation. You also receive full access to MRCOG videos, cross batch session exposure, and a learning system designed to fit around your clinical schedule. And whenever you need help, academic or technical, our 24/7 mentor and IT support is always available. This course isn't just comprehensive, it's proven. With a success rate of over 90%, the active and passive participation courses have helped hundreds of students approach MRCOG Part 3 with clarity, confidence, and control. Train actively, learn passively, succeed decisively with Excel MRCOG's active participation course.